Hello, today we will do a ring, solitaire ring. We start with the size as a standard from 6 to 7. Uh, like start with 6.5. Okay. This in the Matrix 9, Gemvision Matrix 9. This one. Other time I will do with Blender, also another with Rhino, with Panther and Matrix Gold. Okay, all sizes. Trainings, tutorials. So that time we'll select the diamonds or the gems like ground. 6.5, 1 carat is 6.5 millimeter. Okay, this is my dog. It's more better for like 66 millimeter high from the circle finger rail. We can put like a point. Okay. I'm using Rhino with hybrid with Matrix because it's a default main tools commands all from the Rhino. Okay. We take this one as move point. We start 6 millimeter high, shift, okay, and take the diamond, even also move. In the matrix, if you want only to use matrix, you can use this one. It's a move, okay, same command. We take from the top and put here, okay. This is center, but for we be sure, we take select the diamond and came on the box edit, we see X0, Y0, okay, it's good. So now take front view, for we do the shank and the prong head. Okay, we take the circle, offset in the matrix curve menu, here the offset. Okay, it's the same command, but I'm using the Rhino for feel more speed or more quick. And for me, as I more 12 years, I'm using like this. Okay, so for first I'm doing, if you want, like you put curve, okay, from the bottom shank, the thickness like 1.5 or 1.6 like this, enter, shift, for the quad, the side part, finger side part, like 20, good is good, okay. We take circle with 2 points from the bottom as proportional. We put this, I put, okay. Okay, I will delete this. So this time we'll do the prong, estimately. This curve interpolate we can take from here also, okay. This one is the same. We came here like this, okay, estimately a little bit high, okay. The diamond make lock. I'm making already on my keyboard F3 shortcut for the rebuild. You can use from here rebuild, okay. All tools here, or even here you can use from the Rhino. Okay, this one. Yeah. Okay. So F10, you can make the points on and click on the gumball or can make more curvy or fix the curve more smooth estimately. Okay. You can use also the grid, which you can click on the F7. I'm already not using too much the grid F7. Okay. So that time we again F10, a little bit open it, okay, and take it, make offset with like 0.9 or 10 or like this, or even because I want to make it from top more thinner to more wider, the wire. So we can take like, okay, we take from it here 0.5, okay, as center, 0.5. So this is a 10 millimeter. Again, I make here for the measurements. Here, if you see, I put CCC. This is this one, align dimension. Actually, too much we using it. I make it shortcut. I put it this instead of the default one, with the changing the text for I know and using too many years like this. Okay, from here you can also measure. From measure you can use this. It's the same align dimension in the matrix panel. So so I'm smoking, it's okay, but this time so we can make more like for more taller the wire from, oops, okay, again I make like 5, change the color. So I want to make a wire diameter or more radius I'm using. So 10 millimeter from the bottom we make 1.3, it's okay, and from top 0.9. Okay, we take here and click on it, and this one we put here in the gray layer. Okay, never mind, I will not save it for now. So this, you see, a little bit you should make inside the diamond. For the diamond setter can set more better, make a channel here. You can even a little bit more. Okay. We put on the shaded white. Okay. So this time I will put here rotation to top. Oops. Okay, never mind. It's a already I put like this. I will show you. When make rotate, there is a copy yes or copy no. Okay. And polar array center with the, I make it with the center button. You can click on F4 or 0 for take the center of the grid axis and put 6 prongs. You can make 5 or 4, more better 4 or 6 like this, the default. Enter. Okay, you see make it like this. So now I came here. You take the prongs, take single curve, close the snap, and make horizontally. Okay, like this. I will see, estimate how much is the thickness here. Estimate. It's good. It's good. Even the diamond can make more, like 6.2 millimeters higher from the, well, until 6.5 it's good. Even the prongs can make a little bit wider. Okay, what for? I can see it. F7 for close the grid. Okay, this is good. Proportionally good. Split as trim, you can using here also trim this one, this button. Okay, so we take and cap, close the cap here in the matrix, solid, close the close the cap. I'm too many years I don't using the too much matrix, Gemvision matrix commands, but this is one. Okay, now we can do something like this as design. Join, even here you have a join. Okay, where is join? Like here, I think. Yes, this one join. Make again polar array to 6. Close the layer of green. Okay, we close this one and this one, put purple. Okay, we put here, and this one make a trim. And join. I opened the prongs with and lock same time. So I will make a little bit. We see how much estimate direct here. 15. Okay, 15. I can make like 0.4 millimeter, 0.4 millimeter. Solid. Never mind. Minus 0.4 millimeter. Okay. I will check is good. No naked edge. No manifold edge. I will delete the curves. Even you can when you hold the Alt and Control and the upper flash. Upper arrow, like this arrow, I mean, for it should be in the inside of the prongs. Okay, what is this? Anyway, we can this. Okay, okay. For the diamond also, again I will make 0.2 millimeter decims more up, so totally it's a 6.4. Okay, higher from the finger table. We can put a rail. For the rail, you can click on F6 on Gemvision Matrix 9 or which version, Matrix 8 or 7 or whichever, gem profile. Okay, you will get the diamond circle measurement profile, and the profile, it's a round, it's a marquee, it will take marquee, peel. Okay, you can use from gem also here, this one, gem profile curve, it's the same command. Okay, so top view, I will take maybe offset for 10 millimeter wire torus, so the half is a 5. Okay, I select the curve and came here 10. Okay, like this. Open the diamond with the lock. This can bring with the curve, estimate like this. Okay, even more or less. Okay, we see if it's good. Even the diamond 0 point we can make more higher. All it's a 6.5 millimeter, as I told you from the mentioned from the beginning. Okay, we'll put this color green again. So we have now the prong, okay, with the diamond. So now we will do the shank. We came here, take single line with the center, or more better like this, and in here extract, copy, yes. If you make no, it will not make copy, it will extract the default one. Okay, we make copy. I put orange color, okay, orange color. I make the duplicate border, the curve from outside. You can see in the curve part, the second floor, this one, duplicate border. This one you can take one by one. Select, when you select there, you take one by one. So now, why I did like this, for top view, for estimately take the it's a like 2.6 millimeter. I will take like 2.6 or 2.7, maybe it's okay, good. 2.7, enter. Okay, okay, so it's here. I bring here. For can make the center, I take a line like this. Okay, for can control the center. This one will take move, as you can use in the Gemvision matrix. Move here, it's same on the same of the bottom of the prong. So now you see, you can, as same, you can use from here. Solid, this one, extrude curve straight. Okay, okay, so I will take this, I will put in the layer brown. Okay, well, so we'll start to make the shank. I make the unlock the brown finger size, so maybe if we make 27, if we make 30, 31, 31 maybe, or 30 is good. If we want, we can make play proportionally. So again, extrude the curve. It's a one side. We can click here in the both side double, yes, and because of we want the 3 millimeters, so it's take half by half. We put 1.5 millimeter and enter. So we already take it 1.3 millimeter. Okay, like this. If you see the half, 1.5, 1.5. Okay, this is the shank. So now I want to make like Italian shank, Italian style shank, which it came. I will make this one separately layers. The Italian shank style, it's from the bottom more wider, from the top more thinner. So you can use here, I'm using here in this panel, taper. You can here find in transform. Many years I didn't using the Gemvision matrix commands. Here, yes, this one, you see taper. If you right here, it's a taper. Okay, so I will take the center. For sure you should require for click this one, because if not it will not work. Okay, I will show you why. If without only the planner, if we using, we came here like this, you will see what will happen. And infinite yes, flat yes. It will not good like this. It's more better. You make project, click, okay, click, center, or take from the center. For infinite yes, flat yes, okay, and came like this. Estimate 12 millimeter from top, or even 10, but 12 it's more better like this. I will check how much estimate. Yes, 12. Okay, so now we have proportional. Okay, I want to make it a little bit curvy from the top. The shank will close this will save the shank. Already I save it. Okay, here a wire, X-ray I mean, we can use here also. Okay, ghosted or wire, X-ray, or from here right click on the small panel font you have here. So I put the curve, profile curve. Again I keep it in project. Offset, estimate 0.5 millimeter, maybe a little bit. No, it's okay, it's good, it's good. So I will unlock the layer of the center curve. I will trim other part. Sorry. Yes, that time I will take this wire, this curve, again make trim, or from the Rhino here. Okay, this part, again the center. So I will take this, again trim, Okay, I will delete this, we don't need it. We close the finger size, close the profile curve, and this one we keep it maybe here. Yes, maybe we use it or we need it. I will take here, we close the project panel, tab. Again, from the curve you can take this duplicate edge, or from the Rhino, from project this one is the same duplicate edge. Okay, click. So I will hide the shank, half shank. I will make green so I can see it. You see, we take a profile one axis. We should make the other axis opposite the other axis, like x y axis, for this x axis, and we should make the y axis profile for we take the curvy one. We can do as many system style, but I'm using like this, from circle here, okay, or this circle, right click, directly we take the 3 point, because there is 2 point, 3 point. When you see the quad, it should be on the end, not quad. Maybe there is a curve more, so I will close the quad for take the end for more clear, more exactly. Okay, perp end. If you see, there is an end. Even I will came here, same thing, from end to end to end. Okay, you can even put here in the quad. I will open the snap of quad, perp, or more better. Okay, we'll take for curve, we'll unselect the center, front view, we close the center, trim, or from this trim, sorry, 1, 2, 3. Okay, if you see, we have x and y profile curves. I will take all, select all, and make one color, and you can use from surface network, curve network, or from here surface network. It's the same work. Okay, you see B, C, A, D, it's taking the default one 0.01, I put 0.01 for take more details, more better. Okay, you see. Okay, I will take and make join and check if there is a naked edge. No, only this part already I will close it. In the utilities it's the same here, naked edge. Many years I didn't use it here. Yes, this one, show edge. Anyway, again I will change the color to real color, before color. Okay, so we have the half part of the shank. Okay, now I will make a little bit here smoother fillet. You can use from solid this one fillet edge, or from Rhino in bullet this one fillet. Okay, it's the same command. So maybe 0.2 is good. Yes, good. 4 finger. Okay, now I will put, again I will keep or save, I will put here those okay, because I'm seeing by X-ray the part which the head. this one can move to here. Okay. Again, I can make project here like this because I don't need a little bit like this inside the cylinder. So I will lock this. You see this part I will keep, trim, or here trim, okay, like this. Again I will take, join, yes, so trim, okay, join. There is a transfer. You can come project to C plan for be more sure. Yes, more sure. It's in center. It's in that panel the command like this. I will show you why. What is this? Like if it's not in the center, if we click on the grid, if you see like this, click on the grid. This is center X 0 axis, and you see it's a far from it. So front view, transform, project to C plan. Yes, if you want to keep the original default location curve, you can click on no. Okay, and now you see it's in the center. The curve is in the center. Okay, on the wall. So perspective view, you can click selected one zoom. Okay, or make shortcut like I make Ctrl D. If I click Ctrl D, I make it. You can make it in the keyboard later. I will show you where and how you can make shortcut from the keyboard panel. So come here, extrude by both sides. Okay, and this one will make orange because of it's a cutter. If you hit this here cutting for make more easy for you, and we put the or we check the directions. When you see like this, the flash directions, the arrows is inside like this, he will keep this part. We want this part. Okay, Shank, so we click on the flip and enter. Okay, we show the cutter where should keep and where should take it, cut it. You can take from utilities here, I think from the, yes, in utilities direction, this one is the same. Okay, so I will take this, the shank, it's open, you see it's open, cap from here or from solid here, cap the planner. If you see it's a capped. When take it, utilities, check, it's a no naked edge and no manifold edge. Okay, again I will keep both of them, and for the boolean difference I click on the shank. Again you can from solid or from here. Difference, there is two. You want to keep or not? Delete? No. Delete? Yes. It will gone. Okay. Come here, right click mirror, or from this one mirror. It's the same. And you see like this. When open. Okay. It's beautiful. Now, if I will click here for display or viewport, or here it's the same. It's the same. Okay. Right click, left click, or one by one manually, or here with the last 5 views. Keep it. So you see the cylinder is inside the finger. We want be all same harmony, same on the finger curve. You can make take the curve if on you are on the Rhino. In the Rhino you make double solid for again make a boolean, or in the Gemvision matrix you can click on the which one you want to cut to finger profile. You see a cutter here, the command, the toolbar cutter panel. Here is a command, cut to finger rail. Click on it and you will see automatically will click delete the cut. I'm using in the matrix, Gemvision matrix, many things for jewelry especially, but already using more Rhino because the Rhino it's the default one and you can drawing, making 3D everything, but Gemvision matrix or matrix gold or Panther 3D or Rhino gold or other like these softwares all actually connected with the default one with Rhino 3D. Okay, the main Rhino is, but because of we are jewelry or 3D designer, there is a designers working on the shoes making 3D designs. There is a people jewelry, there is a people other things like boats, many things, industrial, everything's like this. So now I will again do for the torus a little bit curvy. We make here the fillet 0.2. Okay, it's already 0.2. Okay, for feel more smooth on the finger, the gold. Even here I can do it, maybe I click on 0.1. Good. Okay, sometimes the fillet not work, maybe you will make manually or you will change the surface curves. So I will click on F7 for make off the grid. So I want to make here also fillet 1. Okay, I will delete again this. I will cap extract. No, I don't want to keep this original. Again I make like this. Mirror center F4 or 0 you put and will take and join. Okay, so we have a pump. So now this one I will make with the same layer for we see as one pieces, because we will do 2 pieces for more high-end jewelry finished work. For can the goldsmith work well and the casting house can make more better one by one, and 3D printer everything. So I select the curves. For sure I will close the finger. You can select from here in Gemvision matrix, okay, curves or gems or surface or poly surface or closed, open, mesh, everything's materials. Okay, so it's the same. I will put here in the layer light brown. So we have now the ring. For more beautiful, for as I like it, for like more thicker or wider with the same as it's like this, more maybe more beautiful. Okay, it's an Italian style. So I will put a wire. You can came here, take a cylinder, many system and or wire, close the snaps, center, close the diamond, close the prong, diameter change to radius, maybe 0.7, 0.7, okay, or 0.8, 0.8, okay. Sorry. Again, right click, you take the same command, center or 0 F4, 0.8 millimeter and make a wire. The old one will delete. You can make a square. Already I'm making a square more better for the head, for not play right or left, but this it's okay because there is a like a stop here. Make it stop, not to be difficult for the jeweler's bit. I bring like this a little bit inside, okay, and make here a curve sharp like 0.2 fillet, okay. And now we'll boolean difference. For sure you can from solid here boolean difference is the same. The second one, the first one is a boolean make union, second make difference, and this intersection. Actually using this one more and the second union, but the second one. But now the delete input, yes, no, we will put no for not lose the wire. Okay, I will make green color. As you see, is the same color of the, okay. So sorry, I will put this. If you see, the head is head. So now Control G, I make group, or here group, or in utilities this one thing, yes, group and group, yes, it's the same command. You see, like this, separately the shank ring wire separate and the head prong separate. This make STL now for can 3D print, because the 3D printer read the STL file format, not 3D. Maybe there is a printers read as the 3D print with the 3D or with OBJ, but more globally it's a STL file format for the 3D printer house, okay. So for now like this. I will show you later again how I make STL, the second version video, and then rendering for the web or like this, okay. Thank you, have a good day.